In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, Pi Network has emerged as an intriguing phenomenon. Founded in 2019 by Stanford graduates Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan, Pi Network set out with a bold vision to democratize cryptocurrency mining. Their solution was simple yet ambitious, a mobile application that would allow users to mine cryptocurrency using their smartphones. This novel approach quickly garnered significant public interest. Millions of users worldwide flocked to the platform, intrigued by the promise of easy and accessible mining. However, this surge in popularity also brought with it a wave of questions and concerns. Users began to inquire about the legitimacy of Pi Network, the value of its native Pi coin, its technical underpinnings, and its long-term prospects. These queries reflect a natural curiosity surrounding any new and disruptive technology, especially within the often volatile cryptocurrency space. Understanding these questions and concerns is crucial to evaluating Pi Network's place within the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. This essay delves into the world of Pi Network, exploring its origins, its unique approach to mining, and the public's perception of its legitimacy, functionality, and future potential. By examining the diverse range of user queries, we aim to provide a comprehensive overview of Pi Network and its place in the dynamic landscape of digital currencies. Pi Network has sparked a whirlwind of curiosity and debate within the cryptocurrency community and beyond. This interest is evident in the plethora of questions users are asking about the platform and its native Pi coin. These queries cover a wide spectrum of topics, reflecting a desire to understand Pi Network's legitimacy, functionality, and potential value. Some of the most common questions revolve around the legitimacy of Pi Network's mobile mining model. Users want to know if it's truly possible to mine cryptocurrency using only a smartphone and whether the process is secure and reliable. Another major area of interest is the tradability of Pi coin. Users are eager to learn when and where they can exchange their mined Pi for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. This interest in tradability is closely linked to questions about Pi Network's mainnet launch, a critical milestone that would enable Pi coin to be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. Furthermore, users are keen to understand the underlying technology behind Pi Network. Questions about its consensus mechanism, security protocols, and development team reflect a desire to assess the platform's technical robustness and long-term viability. By analyzing these frequently asked questions, we can gain valuable insights into the public's perception of Pi Network and its potential impact on the future of cryptocurrency. The rapid rise of Pi Network, fueled by its promise of accessible mobile mining, has inevitably attracted its share of skepticism. Concerns about the platform's legitimacy stem from various factors, including its referral-based growth model, lack of extensive technical documentation, and the perceived centralization of control. Critics have drawn comparisons to pyramid schemes, alleging that Pi Network incentivizes recruitment over genuine value creation. The mandatory Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process has also raised concerns about data privacy and security. Pi Network's team has consistently denied these allegations, emphasizing their commitment to building a transparent and sustainable ecosystem. They argue that the referral system is designed to build a strong community and that the KYC process is essential to prevent fraud and ensure the network's integrity. However, the lack of a public blockchain and limited access to the platform's codebase has fueled uncertainty among some observers. The absence of readily verifiable information has made it difficult for external parties to independently assess Pi Network's claims and technical architecture. Addressing these concerns is paramount for Pi Network to gain wider acceptance and establish trust within the cryptocurrency community. Increased transparency, robust technical documentation, and a clear roadmap for decentralization will be crucial in dispelling doubts and fostering confidence in the platform's long-term viability. The question of when and where Pi coin can be traded is perhaps the most frequently asked by users. The anticipation surrounding Pi Network's open mainnet launch, which would enable Pi to be listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, has been palpable within the community. Prior to the open mainnet, speculative trading of Pi coin IOUs occurred on some platforms, but these were not backed by actual Pi coins and carried significant risks. The open mainnet launch in February 2025 did lead to PiCoin listings on several smaller exchanges. However, the absence of listings on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase has tempered expectations somewhat. The Pi Network team has stated that they are in discussions with major exchanges but have not provided a concrete timeline for potential listings. Listing on reputable exchanges would be a significant milestone for Pi Network, providing increased liquidity and price discovery for PiCoin. It would also expose Pi to a much larger market, potentially driving further adoption and price appreciation. However, meeting the stringent listing requirements of major exchanges can be challenging, often involving thorough technical audits, regulatory compliance checks, and assessments of market demand. Whether Pi Network can successfully navigate these hurdles and secure listings on major exchanges remains to be seen. Section 5, Mainnet Status and Launch Milestones on the Pi Roadmap. The launch of Pi Network's mainnet has been a highly anticipated event for its millions of users. This transition from a closed network to a fully operational blockchain is crucial for Pi Network to realize its vision of a decentralized and accessible cryptocurrency. Before the open mainnet launch, Pi Network operated an enclosed mainnet, launched in December 2021. This phase focused on KYC verification of users, ecosystem development, and refinement of the platform's consensus mechanism. The open mainnet launch in February 2025 marked a significant step forward, enabling external transactions and paving the way for exchange listings. However, it's important to note that the mainnet launch is not a singular event, but rather a process of continuous development and improvement. Pi Network's roadmap outlines several phases for mainnet development, each with specific goals and timelines. These phases encompass various aspects, such as scaling the network, enhancing security, implementing governance mechanisms, and fostering the development of decentralized applications or dApps on the Pi blockchain. The success of Pi Network's mainnet will depend on its ability to achieve these milestones efficiently and effectively. A robust and scalable blockchain, a vibrant dApp ecosystem, and active community participation will be essential for Pi Network to gain a foothold in the competitive cryptocurrency landscape. Section 6, Valuation and Price Speculation, Riding the Waves of Volatility. The value of PiCoin has been a subject of much speculation and debate, particularly in the lead-up to and following the open mainnet launch. Without a prior trading history on major exchanges, determining a fair market value for PiCoin has proven challenging. Following the open mainnet launch, PiCoin experienced significant price volatility on the exchanges where it was listed. The price surged initially, reaching a high of $2.10, fueled by the excitement surrounding its debut and the anticipation of further listings. However, this was followed by a sharp correction, with the price plummeting over 50% to around $1.01. As of March 2025, PiCoin has been fluctuating between $1.33 and $1.64, reflecting the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market, especially for newly listed assets. Several factors contribute to PiCoin's price volatility, including the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, news and developments related to Pi Network, exchange listings, trading volume, and speculation. The total supply of PiCoin fixed at 100 billion and the circulating supply currently around 6.8 to 7.2 billion also play a role in its valuation. Predicting the future price trajectory of PiCoin is a highly speculative endeavor. While some analysts believe that PiCoin has the potential for significant appreciation, citing its large user base and the promise of its ecosystem, others remain cautious. They point to the need for Pi Network to address concerns about its legitimacy, demonstrate real-world utility, and secure listings on major exchanges to justify a higher valuation. Only time will tell how PiCoin's price will evolve as Pi Network continues to develop and navigate the challenges of the cryptocurrency market. Section 7, Functionality and Utility, Building the Pi Ecosystem. The long-term success of any cryptocurrency hinges on its ability to transcend its speculative value and offer tangible utility in the real world. Pi Network recognizes this and has been actively developing an ecosystem designed to provide practical applications for PiCoin. One of the core elements of this ecosystem is the Pi browser, a dedicated web browser that serves as a gateway to the Pi network platform and its various features. The browser allows users to access their Pi wallets, participate in the Pi community, and explore decentralized applications built on the Pi blockchain. Pi network is also fostering the development of a decentralized application ecosystem. These decentralized applications aim to leverage the Pi blockchain to provide a wide range of services, from decentralized finance applications to social media platforms and gaming. A key component of the Pi ecosystem is the Pi Marketplace, a peer-to-peer marketplace where users can buy and sell goods and services using PiCoin. This marketplace aims to facilitate the adoption of PiCoin as a medium of exchange within the Pi network community and beyond. While the Pi ecosystem is still in its early stages of development, the team's focus on building practical utility is encouraging. The success of these initiatives will depend on their ability to attract developers and users, fostering a vibrant and self-sustaining ecosystem that drives the demand for and value of PiCoin. Section 8: Legal and Regulatory Landscape, Charting Uncertain Waters. As with any emerging technology, particularly within the rapidly evolving realm of cryptocurrency, Pi network must navigate a complex and often uncertain legal and regulatory landscape. The regulatory scrutiny of cryptocurrencies varies significantly across jurisdictions, creating challenges for projects operating globally. Pi network's unique approach, with its focus on mobile mining and a large geographically diverse user base, further complicates matters. The lack of clear regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrencies in many countries leaves Pi network operating in a grey area, subject to evolving interpretations and potential future regulations. One of the primary regulatory hurdles for Pi network is its KYC verification process. While KYC is common practice in the financial industry and is intended to prevent fraud and money laundering, it has raised concerns about data privacy and security. Pi network's collection and storage of user data through KYC have been subject to scrutiny, with some questioning the platform's compliance with data protection regulations, such as the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. Furthermore, the classification of PiCoin as a security or a currency remains ambiguous in many jurisdictions. This classification has significant implications for Pi network, potentially subjecting it to securities laws and requiring compliance with stringent registration and reporting requirements. Navigating this uncertain regulatory landscape will be crucial for Pi network's long-term sustainability. Engaging with regulators proactively, seeking legal clarity, and ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations will be paramount. Failure to do so could result in legal challenges, fines, or even restrictions on Pi network's operations in certain jurisdictions. Section 9. Conclusion: Pi network, a future uncertain. Pi network has undoubtedly captured the attention of millions with its vision of accessible mobile mining and its ambition to bring cryptocurrency to the masses. The platform's rapid growth, driven by its unique approach and the allure of earning cryptocurrency through a simple mobile application, is a testament to its appeal. However, Pi network's future remains uncertain. The project faces numerous challenges, including addressing concerns about its legitimacy, demonstrating real-world utility for PiCoin, securing listings on major exchanges, and navigating a complex and ever-changing regulatory landscape. The public's interest in Pi network, reflected in the plethora of queries surrounding its legitimacy, tradability, technology, and future prospects, underscores both the excitement and the skepticism that the project has generated. Whether Pi network can overcome these challenges and fulfill its ambitious vision remains to be seen. The project's success will depend on its ability to build trust, deliver on its promises, and adapt to the evolving dynamics of the cryptocurrency market and the regulatory environment. Only time will tell if Pi network will revolutionize the cryptocurrency landscape or fade into obscurity. Another intriguing but ultimately unsuccessful attempt to disrupt the world of digital currencies.